Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Finally, langa libe solo silenzile o lize lafika la lerato nquma lekhona athi I do kesana. So siyatho ukuthi usendele ama vlogs la bekaqhaza khona ukuthi uyaprepare for umshado wakhe because she's getting married soon. Sambona efitha ama dress and people have been waiting kesana bafuna kubona umshado walerato nqumalo and siwubonile. She was getting married. I think today because my video khona afake nje 2 hours ago and today it's Sunday. I think ushade namuhla vele because if it was yesterday ngabe sibona itolo. So sabona guys ukuthi umshado wakhe beka intimate njena laphana sibonile bekunebangani and a family members sabo bengasi umshado logcwele lo themfu sabona nebangani basibar laphayana belungu siyabona vele ukuthi bangani bamkhwenyana uyabo. So sabona naThando sakuthi Thando i-best friend yalerato nqumalo guys sabona bashade tempu laphayana sing Mrs. Kesana and malabani bajabule ngendlela lesimanga. People are just sending congratulations messages to uLerato. Siyabona benkulu into uqhumana ukuthi she is trending Kesana. She is really trending. Siyakuthi uLerato Nxumalo guys akathanda ukuzivedela buso bemuntu wakhe because wamveda once and people were dragging her saying ukuthi udata nemlungu welikhehla ufunani lelikhehla and wa explainer futhi ukuthi lo bhuda akaselikhehla lokusiko nje lebantu baqabanga kona abantu bacabanga ukuthi ulikhehla just margins akhe. He looks a bit old but mncane. Siyabona ngiyona lapha emshadweni ukuthi asemboni kahle buso sibari siyambona yena kumbona but asemboni kahle abheki ikhamera ngathi mhlawumbe ubatshele nebantu ukuthi manishoot ngiyanicela ningamshoot umuntu wambuso. I really don't know but umshado wabo shame bumuhle ngendlela lesimanga and siyaqhubeka nokusho ukuthi congratulations are in order. Sibafisela konke lokuhle emshadweni wabo. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.